If you're experiencing approval delays on YouTube, there are several steps you can take to expedite the process. Follow these steps to help resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your content guidelines. Review YouTube's community guidelines and copyright policies to ensure your content complies. If your video violates any rules, it may be delayed or rejected. Step 2. Verify your account status. Make sure your YouTube account is in good standing. Check for any strikes or restrictions that could be affecting your ability to upload or monetize content. Step 3. Submit a support request. If you believe the delay is unwarranted, reach out to YouTube support. Provide all necessary details about your video and the issue you're facing to get assistance. Step 4. Optimize your video metadata. Ensure your video title, description, and tags are optimized for clarity and relevance. Properly formatted metadata can help the review process go smoother. Step 5. Be patient and follow up. After taking the above steps, allow some time for the review process to complete. If the delay persists, follow up with YouTube support for updates on your request. By following these steps, you can help resolve approval delays on YouTube more efficiently. Remember to stay informed about platform updates and community guidelines to avoid future issues.